everyone! Good morning! This is our second day in Tokyo. View from our terrace. So far, so good. Wala pa tayong na-encounter na problem with our accommodation. Nakapaglaban na kami. Medyo mainit. Ang init niya, promise. Sunblock galore. Very convenient talaga yung accommodation namin. So, nakapaglaba kami. Everything is provided for. The detergent. May nakatenga pa nga para mamaya naman. So, there. I have my bayong. Ang loob, puro food. Water na ice. Para kahit lumamig, masarap pa rin inumin. Nilagay ko sa freezer kagabi. And then, mga food. Puro food. When you're traveling with kids, kailangan ready ka. Kasi hindi basta-basta kita agad na food anywhere. So, we need to be at least ready for our kids just in case they ask for food. When you leave the accommodation, you unplug the charger. Pag mula ng sulit, let's turn off everything. Time check, it's currently 6:50. Ang temperature sa labas is 30 degrees, but around 12 o'clock maging 36 daw siya. Pero according to the forecast, it will be cloudy today. So sana hindi ganun kainit.
Our hotel is located in Kotobashi, Sumida.
And the closest train station is Kinfisho Station. Meron din JR lang. So, it's a 500-meter walk. So, we are currently finding out the best way to go to Gotemba. We tried the Navi Time Japan, pero bumalik kami sa Google. And it's a 5-minute walk from our accommodation to Kinfisho Station.
That huge building across the street, the one you see left of the screen, bearing the name Termina, is the station which caters to the JR lines.
Coming from this station, we're taking the train to Shinjuku Station, and then from there, we are going to take the bus. Actually, there's an available tour from Klook. Yun nga lang, when you're on a tour, you are pressed for time. Like, for example, you wanted to spend more time in Gotemba. You can't do that. When you're on a tour, you have to follow. So we decided to do it
On our own. Oh, by the way, let me just mention, this one on the right of your screen, a huge shopping mall, has the subway line below. This is where the Hanzomon line runs through. Hanzomon is the purple line of the Tokyo subway.
hinihilan ko. Everyone wants to go to Gotemba and at the same time wants to see the Mount Fuji. So I guess that's the best place. You can see the Mount Fuji and at the same time you can go shopping. So if we have an extra time, we are going to check the Kawaguchi. Kasi mainit din. So feeling ko, baka hanggang Gotemba lang tomorrow. So yan, that's Navigating Japan. So, you take the yellow line. Actually, madalis lang namang i-navigate ang train stations nila dito. Take the yellow line. Use your Suica card. No?
Before heading to Gotemba, we are going to Shinjuku Expressway Bus Terminal first, where we are buying our bus tickets going to Gotemba Outlet. So from Kinsho Terminal Station, we are taking the JR Yellow Line or the Chuo Sobu Line on Platform 1. Another courtesy we must extend to fellow passengers, not only in Japan, but every time we take any mode of transportation, is to let passengers have a convenient way out and patiently wait until everyone is out. That's the only time you bring yourself in. Imagine if we consistently practice this. Nagagawa nga nila eh. Magagawa rin natin. The train trip will take approximately 25 minutes with 12 stops as per Google Map. While taking the 25-minute trip, I can't help but observe and admire the Japanese discipline, which obviously has become a lifestyle. Their impressive trademark, their attitude of not being entitled. There are several designated seats for PWD, elderly, and pregnant women in all trains. These priority seats, despite the crowd inside the train, remain available for those people to whom the seats are reserved for. Take note, not all elderly take the opportunity to sit. For as long as they are able, they don't. May isa akong article na nabasa. Offering a seat to someone may be perceived rude as you are in a way belittling their ability. Unless, obviously, for pregnant women and those physically challenged individuals na nahihirapan naman talaga. I remember our experience sa Narita Airport. A Filipino airport employee was approached by a foreign senior traveler who is still highly and physically able. Since the immigration lines were quite long, she asked for the senior lane, but the airport employee then replied, "Priority lane is only for those who are highly incapable. If you are still physically able by Japanese standard, everyone is expected to line up."
Nakakatuwa lang yung attitude niya. Hindi sila entitled. So, yan. Look at that. Si Lolo, no? Matipunong pa din. Nakakatuwa. So, yan. Katabi ko. Nakatayo rin po. Can we just buy round trip ticket?
Yes, you can buy now.
Same.
Yes. This is please go now. Today 8:50 from here to Gotemba Premium Outlet to Children and Tour Adult. Please go now. People by there. Please.
Yes. Going back. No.
Sorry. Time is 3.
Okay. Bye. Thank you. Let's see. Get inside. Thank you. Arigato gozaimasu.
Surprise! Here comes the beautiful Mount Fuji. That's the peak. It's covered with clouds.
We are actually going to Gotemba Outlet. So from Shinjuku, more than 2-hour bus ride.
Pwede tayo mag-gutom ako.
Oo. Guys. Sakta tayo. May Shake Shack. Doon may Shake Shack, oh. Wait, let's fix this one. Why? Oh, ganda, oh.
Ba, di ba?
Akin na yung ano, Choco Mucho team.
First order of business, pag family ang kasama, especially with kids. Without fail, talagang food court. Ayan, restaurant. So, ganito kalaki ang restaurant sa loob ng Gotemba Outlet. At masasarap. So, I am going to show you the available choices, no, for your upcoming food trip, just in case you want to visit Gotemba Outlet.
What do you want to eat? You choose na. Anything. What you want? Yan, sarap din, oh. Roast beef. This one's yum-yum. Hawaiian. What do you want? Sarap din yun, no? Steak Mountain.
Steak mountain na lang.
You want Steak Mountain? Okay. Ako parang gusto ko nun. What do you want, Pet? Ito lang, Pen.
Ay,
Arigato. Arigato.
Lahat dito sa Japan, ang bilis. Ang bilis nila na-serve yung mga orders namin.
Let's go. Amaris, where's Daddy and Ate? And then later, ice cream. Japan, clean as you go. So you have to throw papers, the tissue. Is it you ordered steak? You ordered steak. You have to throw this one first and then you have to return the plate. Food. Which one? The water. So ganyan, clean as you go. Sarap steak, ate. You have to finish. This is 7-Eleven. Yeah, so this is the comfort room for boys. And then just outside the comfort room are lockers for luggage. So these are the prices. For 6 hours. Yung 600 medyo na. For the biggest one. Okay? So we're going home. You want to go? We're going to buy ba? Is it in 7-Eleven? Sabi ni Daddy. Alright, sige. You want to buy something in 7-Eleven? I'll go. Dali, anak. Go buy na.
I want something.
Go. Ako, sobrang happy ako dito. This is super yum. Sobrang sarap nito. Ang creamy. Ito. Mga onigiri. Starbucks. Wag na ito. Magka-cafe latte ka. Hindi ka pwede mag-cafe, baby ka pa. Di buy na lang ice cream. Go. Buy na lang ice cream. Sorry?
No?
But no need. No need. How much?
How much?
Thank you. Here? Okay.
Okay button touch.
Okay.
お釣りとレシートをお受け取りください。お取り忘れにご注意ください。
Wow. Galing. Diyan tayo sasakay pabalik kasi DIY tayo. Kaso lang dimudilan. Paano ba? No, cover your head. How are you going to cover your head? Let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go.
Alam mo, napansin ko dito sa Japan, kahit saan ka magpunta, napaka-helpful ng mga tao. They won't give you no or I don't know for an answer. Alam mo yun, laging level up yung pagtulong nila. They are always willing to go the extra mile just to help you, as in my effort. So ito, si Uncle, na-meet namin dito sa Gotemba kasi we are looking for the area where we can purchase a ticket going back to Shinjuku kasi one way lang yung kinuha naming ticket. Kaso lang, because of the language barrier, hindi kami magkaintindihan. Feeling ko hindi rin niya alam kung saan kami ituturo. So ang ginawa niya, nagtanong pa siya sa bus driver para lang matulungan kami. Here, listen to our conversation.
御殿場ステーションから新宿ステーションはこのチケットが必要。チケット。そうすると、インター、チケット、
Yes, ticket.
インターのところ、インター、御殿場インターがここの買えない。御殿場インターか御殿場ステーションにしかチケット売ってないので、あとは一番よく知ってるのはインフォメーション。
Oh, information. Okay.
ただチケットの、
Okay.
うん、
Arigato, Grabe, sobrang helpful sila. Nag-DIY kami from Shinjuku going here. The problem is,
Hindi namin alam kung saan kami kukuha ng ticket. So, kahit na binasa na namin yung mga information, umuulan kasi, hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. So, sinubukan kong magtanong. Kaso lang minsan pagka ganito ka-eager yung tumutulong, no? Kahit na hindi na kayo magkaintindihan, parang hindi mo naman siya pwedeng i-cut. So, mag-i-impress ka na lang dun sa eagerness niyang makatulong sa'yo. Sa totoo lang, dahil sa ganito nilang attribute, saan talaga nakakahiyang magtanong. Susubukan mo na lang lahat na pwede mong subukan muna bago ka magtanong. Kasi nga, ganito sila. Nag-effort.
so actually, this is the map of Gotemba. Okay. So, ang laki niya. Merong hillside, may west zone, and then may east zone. Dito kami, from Shinjuku, you can buy round trip ticket going here. Pero kami, we decided not to kasi we don't know, we have no itinerary for the day. We don't know where to go next. So, we decided to buy a one-way ticket. Now, yung pauwi, nahirapan kami. So, my husband decided to go to the information center and ask how to get the ticket going back. Eh, as usual, all Japanese naman are very accommodating. So, tinuruan siya. Nakakuha siya ng ticket online. So, this is the parking area. If you are going to do it yourself, okay, this is where you are going to alight. Alitan mo yung sombrero. Sa bus. Mag-suot kayo sombrero. Anak, lagyan mo na yung diba? Yan. Dito ka na tumawid sa letter B. Moving to Shinjuku Station. Yung pala yung timetable niya. Here, ayan, one way. Mga little things na very impressive about Japanese. They are very mindful of the comfort. From Gotemba to Shinjuku, it will be around 2 hours. You can be comfortable while you're driving. And the price, you can change. Tumubad na ako kaso lang hindi ako nakapagdala ng charger. At talaga nga naman, hindi natatapos ang pa-surprise. Alam ko sa atin, meron na rin ito. Pero natuwa lang ako. Paniguradong hindi magiging problema ang pagtugon sa tawag ng kalikasan. Anytime, anywhere. Maliit at masikip, but functional.
Thank you for taking the Odakyu Highway Bus. We look forward to seeing
And we
you.
look forward to seeing you too. Halatang happy si Kumari. Nakarami yata sa Gotembas. So here's a glimpse of what's happening next. Samahan niyo kami sa aming pag-explore sa isa sa malalaking terminal sa Japan, ang Shinjuku Station. During the rush hour, to claim our 3-day subway pass. Till next time!